Beneath the soil so rich and deep, the humble yam begins to sleep. A golden root of earth's delight, that grows in darkness, out of sight. Imagine a single root vegetable that has nourished civilizations for thousands of years, held spiritual significance, and offers incredible health benefits. Yams have been cultivated for over 10,000 years, playing a vital role in African, Asian, and indigenous diets. In West Africa, yams are more than just food, they're a symbol of prosperity and tradition. In ancient China, they were revered for their medicinal properties, believed to enhance vitality and longevity. But here's a twist: what many in the US call yams are actually sweet potatoes. True yams belong to the diosgenin family, and they have a rough, bark-like skin, with flesh that can be white, purple, or even pink. Unlike the smooth-skinned sweet potato with flesh mostly orange and can be pale yellow. Taste and texture: yams are starchier and drier than sweet potatoes, with a more neutral taste. The term yam has West African origins, with nyam meaning eat or taste in various languages. Its skin is rough, yet heart so sweet, a tender flesh that's rich to eat. From roasted gold to mashed with spice, each bite is warm and oh, so nice. In many African countries, yams are celebrated with festivals like the New Yam Festival in Nigeria. Celebrated today, marks the harvest season with feasts, dances, and rituals to honor ancestors and gods. The true yam was the ruling crop of West Africa, a fueler of cultures and civilizations. In ancient China, they were revered for their medicinal properties, believed to enhance vitality and longevity. And in the Caribbean, Africans relied on yams for sustenance, preserving traditional farming techniques that still exist today. Yams are packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, making them great for digestion, heart health, and reducing inflammation. They're also rich in diosgenin, a compound that helps balance hormones and has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Health benefits of yams: rich in nutrients. Yams are high in essential nutrients, including vitamins, especially vitamin C and B6, potassium, and manganese. They also provide fiber and antioxidants. Supports digestive health. The fiber content in yams can help improve digestion and promote a healthy gut. It aids in regular bowel movements and can prevent constipation. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in yams helps to strengthen the immune system, aiding the body in fighting off infections and promoting overall health. Improves skin health. Vitamin C and beta-carotene in yams promote healthy skin by supporting collagen production and protecting against skin damage caused by free radicals. Supports heart health. Yams are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain a healthy heart. Their high fiber content also contributes to lower cholesterol levels. Regulates blood sugar levels. Yams have a low glycemic index compared to other starchy foods, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar. This makes them a good option for people with diabetes or those looking to stabilize their blood sugar. Anti-inflammatory properties. Yams contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases related to inflammation, such as heart disease. Promotes healthy vision. The beta-carotene found in yams can help maintain good vision and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration. Rich in antioxidants. Yams are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Supports brain health. The high level of B vitamins, especially B6, in yams can support cognitive function, improve mood, and may help prevent age-related cognitive decline. Whether roasted, mashed, or made into a nourishing soup, yams can be a staple in any healing diet. And let's not forget, they're absolutely delicious. Healthy yummy yam flatbread recipe. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized yam, about 1 cup mashed, 1 cup whole wheat flour, or gluten-free flour, such as almond flour or oat flour, 1/4 cup ground flaxseed, optional, for added fiber and omega-3s, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, optional, for savory flavor, 1 teaspoon olive oil, plus more for cooking, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin or cinnamon, optional, depending on whether you prefer a savory or sweet flatbread. Instructions. Prepare the yam. Peel the yam, chop it into chunks, and boil or steam until tender, about 10-15 minutes. Mash the cooked yam until smooth. You will need about 1 cup of mashed yam. Prepare the dough. In a large bowl, combine the mashed yam, whole wheat flour, ground flaxseed, baking powder, salt, and your choice of cumin or cinnamon. Add the olive oil and mix everything together. If the dough is too sticky, gradually add more flour, a tablespoon at a time, until it reaches a soft, pliable consistency. Knead the dough gently for 1-2 minutes, just until everything is well combined. Shape the flatbread. Divide the dough into 4-6 small portions, depending on the size you want your flatbreads to be. Roll each portion into a ball, then flatten it with your hands or a rolling pin into a circle or oval shape, about 1/4 inch thick. Cook the flatbreads. Heat a non-stick skillet or cast iron pan over medium heat. Lightly brush the pan with olive oil. Place one flatbread in the pan and cook for 2-3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and lightly puffed. Remove the flatbread and place it on a plate. Repeat with the remaining dough. Serve. Serve the yam flatbreads warm with your favorite dip, hummus, or as a side to your meals. These flatbreads are also delicious topped with avocado, or used as a wrap for fillings like grilled vegetables or chicken. A feast of strength, a gift so grand, it nourishes both heart and hand. With every dish, it tells a tale of nature's love that won't grow stale. And it is time for a funny dialogue between yam and regular potato. They are arguing about who is the better veggie. Yam. Smirking, you know, it's pretty clear I'm the superior root vegetable. I'm rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin A+. I have a much more interesting name than you. Potato, wow, how original. You're just a sweet knockoff of me. People only pretend you're fancy because you come in purple sometimes. I've been making mashed potatoes a classic for centuries. No one's ever had yam fries. Yam. Mocking peeved, mashed potatoes. That's your big claim to fame? I've got casserole, pie, and let's not forget, those perfectly roasted slices that make Thanksgiving Instagram worthy. Potato. Grinning, hey, I'm the king of fries. I'm the crispy, salty, golden delight that's universally loved. No one's deep frying you, yam. No one's putting you in a McDonald's bag. Yam. Crosses arms. First of all, those fries are just an unhealthy, sad imitation of what I bring to the table. Also, have you seen my royal color? I'm literally more vibrant than you. People actually gasp enjoy the taste of me in savory dishes and desserts. Potato. Raises an eyebrow. Oh really? So, when was the last time someone said, let's have some yam chips with that burger? I'm in every fast food joint, while you're left to hang out with Thanksgiving leftovers. Yam. Smirking, at least I don't get mashed into oblivion and end up as a side dish on the kids' menu. I'm versatile. Pauses dramatically. But hey, keep the mashed potato party going. I'll just be here with my fancy casserole in the main dish. Potato. Snorts. Okay, you've got your fancy casseroles and pies. But I have hash browns. Game set match. Yam. Groans. Alright, you win. You're the best. Pauses, but just wait until sweet potato fries take over. That's my future, buddy. Potato. Grinning. Oh, I'm trembling. Yam. Smirking, just wait for it. You'll see, I'm the root of all royal greatness. And famous bands play songs about me called, Yummy Yams. Yummy Yams, and people just dance at festivals holding fresh yams in their hands. Potato. Rolls eyes. That was too much, even for me, old regular potato. Yam. Shrugs. I'm just spuddingly full of yammy gags. They both burst laughing. Ha ha ha. Stay healthy, happy, and yammy potato funny. I will see you in my next nutritional episode. And what is your favorite yam recipe? Write in the comment section below. Praise the yam, so firm yet kind, a hidden gem that heals the mind. For in its roots, the truth is found, a food so pure, so wise, profound. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.